Why your stomach growls at the worst possible time. You're sitting in a quiet room. Everyone's silent and then growl. Your stomach just outed you. Nope, it's not begging for pizza. That rumble? It's your gut's housekeeping crew at work. When your stomach's empty, it sends signals to your brain like, hey, let's clean while it's empty. That kicks off something called the migrating motor complex. It's like a food-free rinse cycle. Air and leftover bits get shoved around making noise. A lot of noise. Bubbles popping, leftover food bits sliding around. And guess what? It happens every 90-ish minutes between meals. So even if you're not hungry, your gut's time to do the maintenance. Just like an airplane gets cleaned between flights. Bottom line, your stomach's not necessarily looking for food, just enthusiastic about its cleaning routine. Still embarrassed? Blame the MMC.